Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DocuSign using security methods and envelopes protection, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the DocuSign website and log into your account. Navigate to the settings section in your DocuSign dashboard. Select the security tab to explore the various options available for authentication. Choose your preferred authentication method for sender and recipient verification. Options include email address, SMS authentication, phone authentication, and access code. For email verification, if you select SMS authentication, ensure the recipient's phone number is accurate and capable of receiving texts. For phone authentication, the recipient will receive a call to verify their identity. You can also choose to send an access code, which the recipient must enter to gain access to the document. After selecting your authentication methods, save your changes to finalize the settings. Now, create a new envelope by clicking on the New button. Select the documents you wish to include in the envelope. Add recipient names and email addresses as needed. In the envelope settings, locate the authentication section. Choose the previously selected authentication method for your envelope. Adjust any additional envelope settings, such as expiration or reminders, based on your needs. Once all settings are configured, send the envelope to the recipients. When the recipients receive the envelope, they will encounter the selected authentication method. For example, if SMS authentication is chosen, they will receive a text with a verification code. Once authenticated, they can proceed to review and sign the document. Monitor the envelope status in the DocuSign dashboard to track completion. After all parties have signed, you will receive a completed document for your records. Finally, review best practices for document protection, like using password protection for sensitive files. Implement two-factor authentication for your DocuSign account for enhanced security. This comprehensive approach ensures that your documents are both authenticated and protected against unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.